घबराए। जिस तन को छुआ तूने उस तन को छुपाऊं, जिस मन को लागे नैना वो किसको दिखाऊं। ओ मोरे चंद्रमा तेरी चांदनी अंग जलाए, तेरी ऊंची अटारी मैंने पंख लिए कटवाए। दिल हूँ।
Hello everyone, I am Dimpi
I am Simpy
and we are the Tenets Twins. First of all, thank you so much for 10,000 subscribers on our YouTube channel. Thank you for loving us till this journey and supporting us.
And this time we are here with another choreography on this legendary song Dil Hum Hum Kare. And this time we have used a little fusion of Satriya dance form. So do let us know your view in the comment section below.
And guys, can you see the background? This is our home and this is Papa's little flower garden. Do let us know in the comment section below if you liked it or not.
So okay, don't forget to like,
Share
and
and
subscribe
subscribe
to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell button to get the notification of our dance cover in the future. Okay guys, bye bye.
See you soon.
धम